If you're a deep sleeper who keeps missing alarms or want a silent wake up without disturbing others, you've probably seen the FitSleep Alarm wristband. It promises to wake you with vibration instead of a loud beep. But does it actually work, or is it just another overpriced gadget? Let's find out. So FitSleeps is a wearable wristband alarm. Instead of sound, it uses vibration on your wrist to wake you up. According to the official website, the vibration is strong enough to wake even deep sleepers. It runs on battery that lasts up to 14 days, and it doesn't rely on your phone, ideal for those who prefer a silent alarm. The idea is simple. Wear it to bed, set alarms on the band, and let the vibration wake you up. No noise, no bright lights, just you and a buzzy wristband. User reviews are a mixed bag, but there are success stories. On the store's reviews page, several people say FitSleeps finally woke them even when traditional alarms failed. One user said, "I'm a very deep sleeper, and sometimes my alarm clock on my phone isn't enough. But with the wristband, I wake up on time." Others like it because it's silent, ideal if you share a bed or don't want to disturb others. You avoid the jarring effect of loud alarms. Some say waking up feels gentler. So yes, for some users, FitSleep appears to deliver on its promise of a reliable vibration-based wake up. But it's not perfect. A substantial number of reviews report problems. Some say the band never woke them up, even on days when they absolutely need to. Others complain the vibration isn't strong enough, or that the controls and setup are confusing. Delivery and customer service issues, delayed shipping, missing chargers, poor support when something goes wrong, or if the band fails. And a few reviewers claimed what they got was essentially a cheap rebranded wristband, not worth the premium price tag. So reliability seems inconsistent. For some, it's a game changer. For others, a wasted purchase. FitSleeps could make sense to you if you are a heavy sleeper who often sleeps through sound alarms, share a room or bed, and don't want to disturb others. Prefer a gentle, vibration-based wake-up instead of loud sounds, and don't need advanced smartwatch features. Just a simple alarm that hopefully works. But if you depend on a 100% reliable wake-up for works, flights, or exams, it might be risky to rely on, at least without a backup alarm. The final verdict? FitSleeps can work, but success seems hit or miss. If you treat it as a maybe helpful extra and pair it with a backup alarm, it might make mornings easier. But if you expect a guaranteed wake up every day, you might be disappointed. It's good for people who often oversleep, roommates, partners, or anyone who want a silent alarm option. It's not ideal for heavy sleepers who must not miss a wake up, or anyone who needs 100% reliability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.